Okay, here we go. We're Ben and Katie, and these are our two kids, Evie and Charlotte, and our dog Dakota. After staying home in Austin, Texas for the last 6 months, we're headed to California to see family and finally get a change of scenery. So tomorrow is the day that we leave on our trip. We're going to be driving from here in Austin to Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's supposed to be like an 11-hour drive, 10 and a half, but I'm sure it's going to take us way longer than that. Shooting for like 12 hours max. The kids have never been in the car on a trip for more than 5 hours at a time, so it should be an interesting day. Love being on their iPads, so we're gonna let them just have at that and use them as much as they want. So now we just have to finish getting packed up around here and we'll be good to go.
We are packing up the last of our bags and now have to figure out how in the heck we're gonna get all this into our car. Pretty confident I'm gonna be able to make all this work. It all fit.
Barely, but it fits. We might have to lean on the trunk a little bit to get it to close every time, but that's okay.
And also, we brought a potty.
Traveling with kids, y'all. We have a really early morning tomorrow, and then we get to drive to Albuquerque.
Let's do it.
Are you excited? I am. Go. It's gonna be an awesome day.
Kids are loaded in the car and we're ready to go.
Hi. I'm going to the bathroom.
We made it.
We did it.
We drove all the way to Albuquerque. It took us,
About 12 hours total.
yeah, but it was actually such a good day. The kids did amazing. We're at our cute little Airbnb in Albuquerque and we just DoorDashed some food. Then tomorrow we're gonna get up and drive to Moab.
That's when they ever. This one is better than homemade, right? Yeah.